Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I will show you step by step how you can create a poll in your own Discord server really quickly for your server members, for example, for them to participate in this poll. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. Now, head over to Discord, log into your account, and for obvious reasons, guys, you will need your own Discord server to create a poll. So for demonstration purposes, I will access that server I created for testing or demonstration purposes. So to create a poll, join any channel you like in your server, a voice channel or a text channel. I prefer entering the text channel, and after that simply take a look at the text box here at the bottom, and left to it you will see that plus icon, so click on it and select create a poll from that drop down menu. Type in your question here. Below, type in or provide some answers. You can add more answers by clicking on that button here and set a poll duration like 24 hours, for example. And you can also enable, or you may also enable that option below, allow multiple answers if that's your wish, of course. And you can also delete answers by clicking on that trash icon here to the right. And to post your poll, simply click on post here so that everyone in your server, Discord server, may see that poll and participate in it. And that's basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.